What's up, guys? So I need to resharpen my Endela in K390, and I wanted to use the Gritomatic stones for this. Figured I'd bring you guys along, show you the process since it's been a while since I made a video. First things first though, I've used this quite a bit at work. I'm going to get it cleaned up and we will get started. Now I've had these stones soaking for roughly 10 minutes. That should be enough. You guys will have to forgive the angle I'm at. I've got no good spot in this place to sharpen and record, so I'm doing the best I can with what I got. Just gonna start off with my 240. I've got a small nick right in the edge. I used the Veneve stones last time I sharpened this knife. I sent those off to Northwest Knife Guy to check out. If you guys haven't seen his video on those, I'll leave a link down below. He too sharpened some K390 if memory serves correctly and got blistering results. Now I've already got a burr across most of the edge. I'm going to focus just a little bit more right in here where that chip is. This choil area is causing me some problems down here in the base. I'm probably going to throw a sharpening notch in this guy, my next sharpening. I've got a burr across the whole edge. Going to do a few minimization passes, nothing too serious. So I started on the 240. This is the 1K. I've almost completely converted the scratch pattern over to the 1K. Pretty much done with this stone already. And of course, this is my last stone, 2500 grit. I really need to get this choil fixed. I'm catching it on the corner here. And it's really starting to look ugly. I don't know if you can see that. That's really starting to look ugly. So if you guys are familiar with the YouTube knife community, at least the sharpening side of it, you may have heard, but if not, I hate to be the bearer of bad news. But this past December, we lost a pretty influential guy in the sharpening community, Stefan Wolf. It came as a blow to me. I couldn't believe it when I read it. He went into the hospital with COVID-19, and while being treated, I assume he caught pneumonia and never recovered. His channel had a big influence on my own sharpening, especially when it comes to flattening and reconditioning sharpening stones. He's going to be missed. It's absolutely gut-wrenching thinking about it. If anybody knows if he has family, or I know he had a girlfriend. I think he was engaged. I know nothing about her though. If anybody knows or has any information about their well-being, please let me know. And I am pretty much done with the stones. Final step, always, strop. Northwest Knife Guy made this for me. Absolutely fantastic strop. I've got CBN emulsion 2 micron on this side, and I believe 0.5 micron on that side. If it's not 0.5 micron, it's 1 micron. It's really hard, really thin leather. Just fantastic. So much width on it. So we have 92, is that right? Yeah, 92. 82. And 93. So the average comes out to 89.3. Well guys, that's going to do it for this one. If you have any questions or comments, as always, leave them down below. I appreciate you watching. Y'all have a good one.